will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. Romans 16:19 says, Romans 16:19 says, Romans 16:19 says, Romans 16:19 says, excellent, excellent. The war is good, innocent of evil. Excellent. The war is good, be innocent of evil. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. Tôi ini yang lang ketemu balak ini yang lang ini kepung iruan ciruan. Ini top sini kepung. Ini cuma kau be excellent and what is good. Be innocent of evil. Romans 16:19. Selamat datang ni. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. 16:19 says. Be excellent. In the what is good. Be innocent of evil. Be excellent. In what is good. Be innocent. Of evil. Oh, and the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. Yeah. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan on. Pași prota viola. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your. Pași prota viola. Soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. Alam kita, dengan siapa kepala kita orang ngasih dah beberapa ni kita estimate, faham mo? Tapi orang kan ini lang hendak buat kita, ini lagi orang. Romans 16:19 says, ya kita Romans 16:19 says, be excellent, be excellent. Oh, what is good, be innocent of evil. Be excellent on what is good. In what is good, be innocent of evil. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. Crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your Romans 16. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. Romans 16:19 says. Oh, Romans 16:19 says. Be excellent. Be excellent. What is good? Be excellent. Be excellent. What is good? Be excellent. Oh, and the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan, and the God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace, and the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. Woo! And the God of peace will soon crush Satan. God of peace will soon crush Satan. Underneath your feet, last time now. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan. Underneath your feet, yeah. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan. Underneath your feet, and the God of peace will soon crush Satan. And God will crush him underneath your feet. And the God of peace will soon crush Satan. And the God will crush him underneath your feet. 14 เรื่องก็คุย